This is Bitcoin. In a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to grow and invest your money with cryptocurrency, using the top 5 most used currencies, using tried and proven investment strategies, so you can accumulate massive stacks of currencies worth millions. You've seen Bitcoin explode in value and popularity in recent times, from just a few dollars to being worth thousands of dollars today. And that's just one Bitcoin. Now, most people wish they had started a few years ago, but what if I told you that you are still in time? You can catch the next wave and still build your wealth with the most exciting investment vehicle the 21st century has to offer so far. It doesn't matter even if you have zero experience today, or that you've not heard or thought about investing into Bitcoin up until now. According to Blockchain, the most trusted data source on Bitcoin, the number of confirmed daily Bitcoin transactions are 199,263 and still counting. The potential worth of this ever-expanding digital currency is limitless, and it's heading further than ever seen before. In March 2017, the price of Ethereum was up to $52. A mere 3 months later, and it skyrocketed to $382. In 5 years from now, Ethereum will be used as the leading platform in development and smart contract execution. There is no denying cryptocurrency is expanding indeed. And there are many more of these amazing currencies you can leverage off to build your wealth passively and grow in value. The question is, what are you going to do about it? Here are 3 big reasons why you should start investing in cryptocurrency today. 1. Decentralized digital currency. Digital cash like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin cannot be manipulated nor controlled by one central authority. No one is given special advantage over the currency, and it's controlled in consensus of everyone involved, which is a good thing because one central authority can't change the monetary policy and cause a meltdown. 2. Instant transactions. Transactions are circulated instantly or within a few seconds in the network as soon as currencies are sent out. Since they take place in a global network of computers, recipients can confirm transactions in a couple of minutes, regardless of their location. A recipient could be living at the other end of the world and still be able to receive the transaction. 3. Multiple applications. Many are introduced to Bitcoin as a form of digital currency, the new future of money. But cryptocurrency has the potential to go beyond that. The blockchain can be used to prove ownership of items other than just the coins, land titles, insurance claims, crowdfunding, and so much more. Each of these exchanges requires coins for transaction fees and in turn adds value to Bitcoin. That's why I created Cryptocurrency Secrets. This must-have blueprint will show you ways to grow and invest your money with cryptocurrency with tried and proven methods. Unlike most game plans out there that cover just one method or one currency, Cryptocurrency Secrets covers 5, and it has the same methods we use to grow our money. You'll learn how different types of cryptocurrency work and what they're used for, how to set up a digital wallet to start investing today, the top 6 effective strategies to invest in cryptocurrency, simple methods to becoming a Bitcoin escrow agent, the most visited platform for cryptocurrency exchange, and much more. I had spent several months, tens of thousands of dollars of my own money learning by trial and error. You get to bypass all my costly mistakes and everything you need to grow your wealth with cryptocurrency. I cover it all in this blueprint made easy. Now, when cryptocurrency suddenly exploded in popularity, there's suddenly a lot of gurus and experts taking advantage of this. You might see some of them charge exorbitant fees just to teach or promise there's a backdoor. But here's the deal. I want to make this readily available to you, so I'm not going to charge you $997 or anywhere near that at all. It's going to be a lot more affordable. Act now. Click on the buy button below and get your instant access to Cryptocurrency Secrets today.